TTS is thus born out of the generosity of Mr. Leroy Trulock and his lovely wife, Mrs. Martel Trulock. Both Mr. and Mrs. Trulocks are exemplary Christians in their devotion and dedication, carrying a covenant with them in the name of God, praying daily, Lord Jesus Christ, let us be a blessing to someone today till his last breath. Mrs. L. late Martil Trulock was active in supporting TTS till her last breath to keep her husband's will as well as of hers. Mr. Leroy Trulock came to Imphal and officially inaugurated the TTS on 25th of July 1982. This is how July 25th was being observed as the TTS Day and now as KCC Theological Education Day. So let us continue to observe this day, remembering the blessing from Mr. Leroy Trulock and his wife in our prayers and share this to others also. Thank you.